Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about the length formula. So what is length formula? The relation between object distance we marked at U, image distance V and focal length of a lens is called length formula. You can note it down. So mathematically we can write 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Next we have magnification formula. So magnification equal to m equal to height of the image divided by height of the object is equal to one more formula we have, that is the image distance divided by object distance. So before going to do numerical, we should know certain things, that is about m is equal to positive if the image is virtual, m is equal to negative if the image is real. M will be positive for concave lens. Why? Because it always form virtual, erect and diminished image. And M will be negative for convex lens if the image is real, and it will be positive if the image is virtual. So next we are going to do about the sign convention. Sign convention. For a lens. So in a lens, suppose I am considering a convex lens, midpoint will be the optical center. So this is the first surface, refracting surface, this will be one sphere, similarly this will be another sphere, and depending on that we will locate C. So similarly this side also we will locate C. So midpoint of radius of curvature will be first focal point. Similarly, this will be our second focal point. So in case of lens, object is placed above the principal axis on left side, and light rays are coming from left side to right side. That means about positive x-axis. We know the convex lens can form real as well as virtual image. So real image is formed behind the lens. So we know real image is inverted, so it will form below the principal axis. This is about the height. Height of the object will be always positive because it is placed above the principal axis. And height of the image, if it is real, then it will be negative, h dash. And always the measurement will be taken from optical center. If the measurement is in the direction of light rays, then it will be positive. Or if the measurement is taken against the direction of light rays, then it will be negative. So by knowing about that, so in this case that we have the focal length for convex lens, this will be the f. So here f will be positive. F is found to be positive. What kind of lens is convex lens? So for convex lens f will be positive. So here the object distance will be measuring from optical center to this side, it will be against the direction of light rays, because light rays will come from left to right. Our measurement will be from right to left. So the object distance will be here negative. Similarly, image distance, here the image distance, if the image is real, that will be V and V will be positive. So I think it is clear to you for real image. And if I draw the virtual image, then I think I had explained about the image formation by ray diagram for lens, for virtual image as well as the real image. So in case of virtual image, the image will be formed. So this is the object placed very close to the lens, one ray coming parallel, after reflection passing through F, one ray passing through, means O remain unchanged. Then if these two rays we are going to draw backward, then it will appear to meet at this point. So this will be the image of the object. So in that case, that means that object distance u will be negative, that image distance also will be what? Negative. And focal length, so this will be the focal length will be positive. So by knowing about that, we are going to solve numericals which are coming in the board examination. So numericals are not very difficult, only sign convention, do appropriately, then you can go for the numericals. Say we have one numerical question 1. A 4 centimeter tall object is placed at a distance centimeter in front of convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Find, measure, position and size of image form. First you note it down. What is the question? So before going to do numerical, first we will write the data given in our numerical. So it is given the height of the object. It will be always positive because it is placed above the principal axis. So then it is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter. So object distance will be negative. So that will be a minus 30 centimeter. Then what type of lens it is? Convex lens. So focal length will be positive. So that will be of 20 centimeter. We are asked to find what is the image distance and height of the image. Then after that we check the unit. All units are similar, so no need of conversion. Then we will write the formula used for. So from lens formula we will get 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, or you can write minus 1 by equal to minus 30 equal to, that will be 20. So we will get 1 by V minus minus, it will be plus, on transferring it will be minus. So LCM will be 60, then 3 minus 2, it will be of 1 by 60, or we will get V equal to 60 centimeter. As the image distance will be positive, so definitely image will be formed behind the convex lens. Definitely it will be real image. Next we are going to find the height. So for height we are going to use the formula for magnification, that is h dash by h equal to V by U, or we will find h dash, we have to calculate. H is equal to 4 is equal to V equal to 60, U equal to minus 30. 0 0 cancel out, then 3 it will be of 2, or we will get h dash equal to minus 8 centimeter. As it is negative sign indicates, that means the image is formed below the principal axis, hence then therefore nature is real and inverted. Nature of image is real and inverted. Real and inverted. So I think this numerical is clear for you. Next we are going to do one more numerical. One numerical will be for concave lens. Concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter forms an image at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. 10 centimeter from the lens. What is the position of the object? What is the position of the object? draw ray diagram also. Draw ray diagram. Okay, this is your question. Please note it down. This time we have the concave lens. So focal length will be definitely negative. And image is formed. What kind of image the concave lens forms? Virtual indirect. Virtual image is always formed same side of the object, so it will be negative. That is given 10 centimeters. So we are going to write here what is given. Focal length. So focal length is equal to minus 20 centimeter, and image distance is given d equal to, that will be negative because virtual image will be formed same side of the object. So that will be of 10 centimeter, and you are asked to find what is the value of u. So next we are going to use the lens formula equal to 1 by f, or you can write minus 1 by u equal to minus 20. We can take u on that side, that will be of positive. Then we have, once we bring this will be of positive, minus 1 minus 10. So we have that will be of 20, then 1 minus 2. So we will have minus 1 by 20. Therefore, u equal to minus 20 centimeter. So this will be the position where object should be located. So next we are asked to find the ray diagram. So we are going to draw ray diagram for this numerical. So this is a concave lens. So while drawing, I already had told you use a sharp pencil. Don't make the lens very thick. It will be a thin lens. Appropriately locate optical center. So center of curvature, first center of curvature. So second center of curvature, midpoint of radius of curvature is focal length. So in that way we are going to draw it. So then suppose this is an object placing here. So one ray coming parallel to the principal axis, after refraction appear to come from focus. One ray passing through O remain unchanged. This refracted ray appear to meet at this point where the image will be formed. So A dash B dash will be the image and AB is the object. So this is about the ray diagram related to our numericals. So next we are going to do third question. An object 50 centimeter tall is placed on principal axis of a convex lens. It's 20 centimeter tall. Image is formed on screen placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. Find focal length of the lens. So similarly, what is given here, we will write. So given height of the object is given 50 centimeter. So it will be positive, and it is obtained on the screen. So image will be real and inverted. So height of the image will be negative than 20 centimeter. So and it is formed 10 centimeter. So D will be positive because it will form behind the lens. So we have to find that focal length. So before going to know focal length, we have to find that value of u. So from magnification formula we can write that m equal to h dash by 8 equal to v by u, or we can write minus 20 by 50 equal to v equal to 10. So u equal to minus 25 centimeter. Alright. So next we are going to find focal length. So what is focal length? We are going to use the length formula 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, or we can write the v value is given to be 10, then minus u that will be of minus 25 equal to 1 by f, or we can write 1 by 10 plus 1 by 25 equal to 1 by f, or we can write that will be of 50 5 plus 2 1 by f, or we can write that focal length equal to 50 by 7 centimeters. If we find this one in decimal, then we will be getting the answer 7.14 centimeter. So if the focal length is positive, what kind of lens it is? A convex lens. So I think in that way you have to do numerical given in your NCERT back questions. Try to solve NCERT back question number 10 and 11. So in that way numericals are very important. It depends upon practice. So next class I am going to discuss about the power of a lens and its application in numericals. Thank you.